Hi everyone, I'm Leah Williams, Export Sales Manager at Photocentric, based in the United Kingdom. We are the inventors of the LCD 3D printing technology, and we are the first company in the world to produce and to sell a 3D printer with LCD screen as its image source. At that time, most of the experts from the 3D printing industry didn't recognize that our technology could go further. Now, 5 years later and after thousands of machines being sold worldwide, I can answer those questions. I can actually challenge their doubts about our technology. To show the efficacy and the perfect fit for purpose of LCD screens in 3D printing, I'm going to talk today about the Liquid Crystal Magna, the flagship of Photocentric, the real watershed of our development as a 3D printers manufacturer. The best example to showcase the LC Magna is the mass production of dental models based for clear aligners. The global clear aligners market size in 2019 was at $2.3 billion. We project the growth of this market up to $5.5 billion in the next 5 years. And Photocentric is now providing machines for such a effervescent and a rapidly growing industry. With the LC Magna, you can maximize production, simplify process at low cost and rapid printing. The LC Magna is the largest LCD daylight printer being sold currently in the world, with 23.8 inches 4K screen, build volume of 510 by 280 by 350 millimeters, print speed of 13.3 millimeters per hour with 100 microns, and cure speed between 3 to 8 seconds per layer depending on the resin. It's a real workhorse for your production. Flat on the platform, you can print up to 48 arches in just 90 minutes with a highly cost-effective of €1.35 per arch. We have placed hundreds of Magnas in labs and dental companies across the globe. And those machines represent a massive jump from where those companies were using smaller 3D printers to what they are now, designing and producing tens of thousands of models per day. More than speed and accuracy or mass manufacturing potential, the LC Magna is reliable, professional, and it's at your disposal to deliver volume and quality when you need to print faster, more, and better. We can help you to set up your own mass production of dental models with the LC Magna and its post-processing units and resins. Or, if you need our help, we can manage that part of the process, printing here at Photocentric part or all of your production needs in our recently created Magna Dental Models Printer Farm. Whatever is your need when printing dental models, fast printing, cost-effective and reliable machines, or printing with us your rapidly growing production, the LC Magna is the right machine for all of that. If you have questions on how to increase your dental models production, please get in touch with us.
Introducing the Liquid Crystal Magna, the complete solution for high-volume production of 3D printed dental model aligners. Using Photocentric's unique LCD 3D printing technology, Magna is proven to consistently produce fast, accurate and reliable results. Our LCD screens cure entire layers across the platform, resulting in a faster print than more conventional 3D printing technology. Magna's print platform boasts one of the largest capacities of any commercially available printer. Our new slotted platform has been specifically designed for the dental industry and allows the creation of up to 48 dental models in a single 90-minute print.